giving him money. How much money can Blanche pay Don Jazzy for her to do a collabo with Don Jazzy? How much money can Don Jazzy, as you claim in quote, that Blanche is because of money? That is why Don Jazzy is giving a shout out, my sister is because of the behind and the fraud. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel once more again. For those of you who don't know me, I'm called Bibi and my channel's name is called Beyonce Bibi's TV. Today guys, I bring you with another latest vibes. This video is all about our Cameroonian comedian CY. So guys, before we go straight into the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Whenever I post a new video, you're going to be the first person to be notified. And for my old return subscriber, I love you guys back to back. And for my new comments, you guys are highly welcome into this amazing family. So guys, as you best know, my channel is all about cooking, vibing and social activities. I will not take much of your time. Let's go straight into the video guys. As you best know, CY is the person who stood for the fight against 80% Cameroonian music. That is, in Cameroon we have to consider our culture first before any other culture. That is 80 Cameroonian music, 20 foreign music. So guys, I will first of all give you because he did a video yesterday, was trying to do to really, you know, when it comes to this his speech, the way he pour hate towards a Nigerian doing the collabo, and he does not want to get anything in common when it comes to Nigerian. He, as he earlier said, the Nigerians are selfish and self-centered. He did another video by criticizing them, especially he did a video that was for our Baba Don Jazzy. So I will post the video straight so that you guys can first of all watch the video and analyze it, and also write down at the comment section what you think about the video, so that we can as well see what the video was all about. So guys, watch the video with me.
Now, where una be the tag me during the time where Blanche Belly, #1 female artist for Cameroon, we go Nigeria, we go do collabo with Don Wazi or John Jazzy or John Jazzy. Yes, una know say me I be some very unpredictable man. Yes, the time when I expect say I get for respond to something, even at the time that I respond, I can't respond now for my time. When John Daisy or John Jazzy, he be posts picture for Instagram for Twitter, say show love to a sister from Cameroon. Una woke up, una they tag me. Oh Pancho, come and see love. CY International, come and see love. This and this, come and see love. Una make me look like as if I hate some person, or I hate Nigeria artists, or I hate. Una just try for ridicule me. Listen, ma tell una something. Una know what you wanna suffer from. Una suffer from the spirit of complexity. Una be so complex in such a way as Don Jazzy for Nigeria, he post love from to a sister from Cameroon. Una just saying una just saying a magic. Una ask Don Jazzy for Nigeria, say Blanche Belly the first female artist we in know for Cameroon, or we don't ever come across for Cameroon. Una the first artist we in know from Cameroon. When was the last time we he post that love from a sister or a brother from Cameroon as an entertainer? Now the same thing with Stanley Eno. When Joe Boy, if he posts Stanley Eno, say he be fan for Stanley Eno take him, post him, he show fan. That's complex. Una no believe say this was on time level una day now, una go feel rich. This is old Pancho CY International talking to you. And I give you John Jazzy. This one na a target. Prove me wrong. That song where you and Blanche Belly una don't do and so for your studio for Nigeria. make that song blow for Nigeria. If that song blow for inside Nigeria, for that level where when I fit invite Blanche Belly, it can play, do show for Nigeria, then I go stop my campaign for 80-20. Yes. Because you go only post that thing because you don't see money. Now you pay flight ticket for Blanche Belly, may come out Cameroon, come to for Nigeria. Why if you there for Nigeria, now you buy a hotel? No. But you don't see Tamatama Shio, no, you don't see Tamatama Shio, Tamatama Bobby, you don't craze inside studio. Oh, love from a sister, love from a sister. So don't attack me, oh, Pancho, come and see love, oh, Pancho, come and see love. If you don't see money, you go show love. You don't does it. Now the same thing for Naira Marley. When Naira Marley come for Cameroon, it became make noise for social media. And I'm going to show Cameroonians how to love. How to love. You come for Cameroon, they ban your show. You show the love. If truly that love be they say a blood way, you come for can show them. That way they ban your show. You show the love. That love you want show on top stage. How many Cameroon artists wait that way you be there for here? You Naira Marley, you take your hands and go enter for studio when do song for love. But because money no be there, you pack your bag, you leave. Because when I see love, when I see money, when I show love, no money, no love. Say, listen, we don't too blind, but we no blind again. I no hate no man, and I need the campaign say me to stop any music for this very Cameroon. Me person know they take me wrong. My problem na reciprocation in relationship, reciprocation in love. When I support you, I invite you. I want to ask you some question. Why people they do collabo? And yes, someone they will call the talk, you need collabo, we have to collaborate. Why artists they go meet up some artists make it collabo? Why small artists they meet up big artists make it collabo? Why some artists they go meet another artist from different countries make they collaborate? Now because you this artist, you want to get a fan base inside some man a territory. If Stanley Eno they go collaborate for inside Nigeria, now because he want sell inside Nigeria, he want be known for inside Nigeria, he want get fan base for inside Nigeria, so that when it too will one day to go play for inside Nigeria. But if now they keep on can collaborate with you now and nothing know they happen, go look Stanley Eno feature Davido. Go see how many views were there for YouTube. How many followers, how many fan base crowd where Davido get up for inside Nigeria? But if you say Davido to be put power for promotion for that music, like how will you promote a personal own for a brother, let's say the do one for a brother, that music will blow so they don't cost Stanley and go play for Nigeria. Now what they tell you now, so Don Jazzy, John Dazio, and they give you the one like a target. Take this song with up because Blanche Belly, I know say the song when I don't do I know if ever been a play song. Blanche Belly. For me, Blanche Belly is the best female artist for the whole Cameroon, both the English and the French. Blanche Belly is the best. And I know say Blanche Belly no fit come out take a transport, go for Nigeria, go do any Kwekwe song. Don't just give you a target. Make that song make blow for inside Nigeria, then I'll cut to a cafe, I will stop the campaign for 80-20. But in as much artists they keep on can do collabo with you and you never make promoter like as you promote your own thing, forget it. Una love now, money love. When you see money, you show love. You don't see money, you need to show no love. And me open to see what international I talk about. When I keep on beginning, like tap me for anything. But I will always tell you nothing but the truth. Even when our brother says, you know, if you tie heart, when our brother Flavors, no, if you tie heart, Flavors come online, the video day, when I don't see him, Flavor can't talk, say, you know, the imagine how we Diamond Platinum of Tanzania go drop video 5 days, he get 30 million views, but they don't know it for Nigeria. Nothing about it for Nigeria. But small artists for inside Nigeria go drop video, just 600,000 views for even more than a month. The whole place naive inside Nigeria. That Diamond Platinum, Flavor is to talk and say, I think we are being selfish. So please, let's.
So guys, you guys have watched the video. So what are your thoughts about this video? As for me, see why I don't seem to understand why you always try to do things this way. For me, I think that is being part of being jealous and hate towards somebody that is fighting to see that your music industry grow, but all what you have to say is negativities. Why can't you in your life try to bring out something positive and see if maybe it takes you a long way? Why can't you change your ways of, you have been singing this 20-80%. Nothing is happening. Things are not changing. For me, I see there's nothing changing in the Cameroonian music industry. All what I see every day is negativity on you. See why? Try to be positive for like in your life, not always trying to criticize, always criticizing. Why don't you see, try to see if maybe Don Jazzy and Blanche bring something more better. You keep on criticizing Don Jazzy, that Don Jazzy is doing this because Blanche have given him money. How much money can Blanche pay Don Jazzy for her to do a collabo with Don Jazzy? How much money can Don Jazzy, as you claim in quote, that Blanche is because of money? That is why Don Jazzy is giving a shout out, my sister is because of the behind and the front that Don Jazzy have seen and trying to like say my sister. Oh, like really? You cry for Nigeria not supporting you guys, and now they are coming to support. You still like stand against, you still criticize. What is the problem of it? How is the color of your problem? See why? How is the color of your problem? Is it a crime for Don Jazzy to do a collabo with a Blanche? I think for me, that is the best start for the Cameroonian industry. Collabo is all what is going to take us higher. I see some people crying about, talking about, well, why can Cameroonian industry also not focus and try to grow with that other foreign country? Like seriously, where have you seen that? Where have you seen that? Even the Nigerian fought so well before the Nigerian even as we do collabo with the Hollywood star. That is why you see them at this top form. You have seen the Nigerian, they have done a lot of collabo with the foreign superstar. That is why you see that Nigeria is now booming because of all this collaboration. So why you are trying to spread this hate? Let me not even go too far. What about the Ghanaians? The Ghanaian, before then, we never knew any people. We never know people like when it comes to industry like the Ghanaian. But they are like trying to even. I can say that maybe with times go by, maybe they can even almost be at the same level with the Nigerians, because they fought for it. They know the right way to push through. They know how to handle things. They know how to. They did a lot of collaboration with the Nigerians. You know. What is the color of your problem, Siwa? Is it a crime for Blanche to do a collabo with Don Jazzy? The whole Baba Don Jazzy. You just like mix, just like jam-boxing his name, mixing up his name in the anyhow. Like seriously, I don't really care what you think about Don Jazzy. It's the only thing that can make Blanche music sell is if she's there and brings out what we need. No matter how Don Jazzy advertises his music, if the music is not a good hit, it's still going to just be like that. It's just going to be just be like a normal music. We know the whole diva of Blanche. As Ella said, that Blanche is our #1 when it comes to music. Myself, I support that. I love Blanche Belly so much. She's my diva. She's my like my one number one when it comes to top a musician in Cameroon. Blanche for me is my #1. She's my diva. She knows how to give it. She knows what to spice. She knows how to spice her music. She's just so talented, and I believe Blanche is going to give us hot. She's going to give us back to back. So for that one, you are saying, I know Blanche is going to give it back to back, not like Daphne. Daphne when having an opportunity to sing with Kofi, she just went and messed up. For the music that he did with Kofi, and that for me was it was a turn down for me. I didn't see it. You talk about our culture. If you have the opportunity to do a collabo with Don Jazzy or people like Kofi, you go there, you are not prepared. You have to be prepared like Diamond. Don't you see the music that Diamond went in and do a collabo with Kofi? How sweet and beautiful the music was. The costume was top. Everything about the music was like classic. But you see, Daphne went to do a music with Kofi. She was not prepared. How can you have that opportunity to go for a music with Kofi and they didn't show it up? You didn't give it to us, and you expect us to just sit and like watch. So guys, that was the video for today. What I have to add concerning this video is it's always good to spray love and hate. Always good to be positive than be negative. Like, you know, if you preach love and being positive, and we are going to be successful. And see why I believe with collabo and like trying to show love among the African community, we are going to grow. One tree can never make a forest.